So yeah, guys, we are live, and as you can see, we are on gold trade. The truth is, it's already late, so right now I'm not trading. I've just been observing the markets for the past going to like 1 hour now. I've been observing the market. Um, you know, if you've been following me, if you've been following me on my channel, or if you've been following me for a very long time, you know that I'm a big fan of gold. I trade gold a lot. So what I'm saying on gold right now, gold. It's either breaking down to this area right here. Gold is either breaking down all the way to this area right here. It's either or gold is gonna, because what I'm seeing right here, gold is in a consolidation. This area right here, the gold is just moving in this consolidation for like how many weeks now. So that's what gold has been doing. There's no clear direction right now, but you all know that the overall trend for gold is to the upside. That's the overall trend, and you know, a lot of people who trade gold, I think all they are just looking for is a buy opportunity, and gold works well. For me, I think gold works well uh, when buying. But this period now, the market has been falling. But what I'm seeing on gold right now, my bias on gold is to the upside. I won't lie. That's what I'm seeing on gold. My bias on gold is to the upside. So I feel gold is gonna this night. This night gold is gonna rally all the way to this side, to this resistance area right here, but in the lower time frame. But we can't really tell, since we can't really tell what's gonna happen, because right now the market is slow. The market is slow, and there's no much trading activity going on. There's no trading activity going on, so the market is slow. The market is just gonna keep, for people who are still buying and selling right here. The market is just gonna keep taking out their. If you buy right here, the market is just gonna come back, take out your stop loss. That's how the market is gonna keep, because there's no much market. There's no activity going on right now. As you can see, the market is just moving whipsaws and all of that. So if you are trading right now, I wouldn't. If you are a day trader, I would advise you should just get out of the trade, because all what's going to happen, because there's no market activity going on. Like the market is just going to keep moving to the upside and coming down. And at the end of the day, a lot of people who are going to be buying and selling here, they are going to be taking out. So my best advice for you guys is don't trade. Don't trade. This is a nice trading opportunity. This is a nice trading opportunity, but I won't advise. Don't trade right now, because you're just gonna end up blowing up your account. You're just gonna end up blowing up. But my overall bias on gold right now is to the downside. I won't lie. I won't lie. Like gold is, for what I'm seeing right here, gold is just gonna break to this level right here. That's what I'm seeing on gold. Maybe tomorrow, it's gonna happen tomorrow. We don't really know. This is my bias on gold. Like gold is gonna break to this level right here, but uh we can't just assume. We're just gonna see the market reaction, see what the market is gonna do. Because gold has been acting really funny these days. So I wouldn't advise should trade. Just wait. Let's see what's gonna happen tomorrow. But for what I'm saying, uh, gold is either gonna break this um what I call it inverse flag pattern or whatever I call it. So for me, this is a continuation to the downside. This is a continuation to the downside. Gold is gonna break to the downside. That's my bias on gold. I won't lie to you guys. Like that's my bias on gold. So right now, doing the what's it called? Doing um the Asian sessions. The Asian session, the Asian session. There is no much going on during the Asian session. So I feel what's just gonna happen is during the Asian session, the market is gonna break out of this this angle. All I call it, will I call it triangle or what? The market is either gonna break out, maybe consolidate a little, do some whipsaws and all of that. Then from this area right here, the market is gonna sell. But overall direction, what I'm seeing on gold, the overall direction is to the downside. That's what I'm seeing on gold. That's my analysis. That's what I'm seeing on gold. The market is gonna break to this area right here, and this is where I'm looking to take any trade. This is where I'm looking to take any trade. So, but for now, the reason why I'm saying this is because, yeah, as you can see right here, the market has been finding it difficult to break out of this zone. If you can see right here, if you see very well, the market has been finding it really difficult to break out of this zone. This is the first try, couldn't break, came back again, did some consolidation, tried to break out, it couldn't break, came back. The market was just consolidating. Tried the third time. This is the higher time frame. Or tried the third time, couldn't break, as you can see. So this is where the reversal came in. Like this is just our first confirmation that this market is going to reverse. This is just our first confirmation. So what I'm seeing right here, gold is to the downside, man, guys. I won't lie, like gold is to the downside. That's what I'm seeing on gold. Gold is to the downside, but we can't really predict. We're just gonna watch what the market is gonna do, and we'll follow through. But that's what I'm seeing on gold right now. This is one of the currency pairs I love trading gold. Like I don't, you hardly see me analyze. Back in those days, like I used to trade a lot of pairs, but now I just focus on only one, which is this gold USD, gold USD, because it's easy to trade gold. I won't lie, it's easy to trade gold, and the reward is high, and at the same time, the losses is high too. But I just love trading gold because of the reward. When your trade goes in profit, like it's massive, but at the same time, if it goes in the wrong direction, it's huge loss for you also. But I just love trading gold. It's one of the best uh, pairs to trade. Right now, I wouldn't advise anybody to trade. You already know that because there's um, not much going on. Everybody is trading today. Like I feel like nobody's trading right now because there's no much volatility. Like most people have taken their profit. The little movement that is just going on right now, I think, uh, are just people who don't know how to trade. I don't know. So we're gonna wait till maybe uh maybe we're gonna wait till tomorrow. I don't really like trading in the Asian sessions because there are a lot of whipsaws doing the Asian session. So what I'm seeing right here, the market is either just gonna keep moving in this uh in this boss. Then maybe tomorrow there's gonna be a breakout to the downside, or 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 this might just be a continuation, or this candle right here might just be a continuation to the upside. Like since this is a consolidation in the higher time frame, you can see right here. This is a consolidation right here. So this, if it happens that if it happens that um, gold is going to continue going up, um, well, we're going to see. We cannot predict. And if you are on buy right now, it's not really bad. It's not really bad, but if you're on buy right now, it's not really bad. But for me, there is not really much going on in the market right now, so I wouldn't advise you to be on this trade. I wouldn't advise you to be on this trade. So the truth is, there is a level that you get to in this trading thing, and like there is a level you get to, like you don't even have to complicate things. Like when you just open your chart, you already know what's going on in the market. Like um, so let's just see. I think this is a really nice uh temptation. But I call it temptation. But I won't get in on this trade. To be sincere, like the market is either gonna come up here, but I'm not buying. I'm not buying. It's been long. I do live video. I've been really focused on learning a lot, reading a lot of books and all of that. So I've been off the chart for a very long time. So, but now I want to make sure I do more live videos. Um, I'm gonna do a lot of more live videos like this. Show you guys my analysis. Show you guys chart breakdown. Mostly is gold USD. I hardly trade any other pair. I won't lie to you guys. I hardly trade any other pair. This is the best I love to trade. If this trade, this might be a nice trade setup. Oh. This might be a nice trade setup. Might be a nice trade setup. It's tricky, man. Um, let's just watch and see what's gonna happen. But I know for sure that gold is to the downside. Like I know for sure. I know what gold can do. I've been trading this pair for a very long time, man. So trade history. These are the trades that I took. Cancel. Uh, Gold has been moving from like all time high. Like I know a lot of people who trade gold. The only trading opportunity they are always looking for is buy, 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 buy. But you need to be really patient with gold. Like to be really patient when trading gold. Wow, I think this market is going to the upside. Or wow, crazy. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. So what I'm saying, what I think God is just doing right now, God is just respecting this support area right here. I think God is just respecting this support area. It's either the market is just gonna continue moving in this support and resistance area. It's either the market is gonna keep respecting this support and resistance area, or it's gonna break to this this area right here, this zone right here. But we can't really tell. So let's just watch and see. I know there is not gonna be a lot of movement, no matter what. Like there's not gonna be a lot of movement, as you can see. It's not gonna be a lot of movement. The market is just gonna keep. It's not gonna keep moving like so. It's gonna keep moving in this direction. Maybe during the ASEAN session, the market might just move to this area and continue moving like this, like this. Um, can't really tell. So we're just looking for, we're just waiting for the big move. Initially, I wanted to like buy around this area. I wanted to buy around this area. Hmm. Look at what happened right here. If you guys look at what happened right here, a lot of people, a lot of people. When I say a lot of people, like even myself, I trade support and resistance. I trade support and resistance. So when the market, since these are an area, like the market has respected this area, so a lot of people who trade support and resistance. See, when this candle got here, a lot of people are going to be placing, people are going to be buying right here. Maybe set their stop loss below this level right here. See what the market did. Market is really crazy, man. Really, really, really crazy. Even if this market is going to go all the way to this upside, that is good to be patient. I won't lie to you guys. It's good to be patient. Like this kind of thing like this, it's not. It's good to be patient. See, if people who trade, if you trade this support and resistance, you're gonna be thinking, okay, if the market hit this zone, I'm gonna be buying around this area right here. So you're gonna buy and maybe set your stop loss below this week. You're gonna set your stop loss maybe below this week. See what the market did. The market came and pooh, took out your stop loss and continue to the upside. It's not like you're not right, too, but the market will always do what it wants to do. Like now, it has taken your stop loss and it has continued going to the upside. Now, a lot of people are going to be buying here. A lot of people are going to be buying here, thinking, okay, this market is going to the upside now. Like this is just a confirmation that this market is wants to continue heading up since this is a consolidation, like the market has been moving in this consolidation. So a lot of people are going to be buying here, maybe set their stop loss. Maybe even if you want to even set your stop loss, maybe lowest, maybe this area right here, buy, set your take profit, maybe around here. The market didn't even get there at all. Like, poo, 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 poo. Before you know it, one big candle, poo. You'll be like, okay, let me wait. Let me wait. Maybe the market will do something miraculous. At the end of the day, the market will come and take out your stop loss. Boom. I think what the market is doing right now, the market wants to start heading. The market wants to start heading to the upside. This kind of a W formation, right? This is a W formation now. right, guys? This is a W formation. This is a W formation. Even on the lower time frame, you see right here, the market has broken. The market has. The market has. Uh, this trend line has been broken. This kind of a W. This is a W formation now. Yeah. Even on this lower time frame right here, this is a W formation. It's a reversal. So I think the market is going to this. This is where the market is heading to. Hmm. Gold. Gold. Hmm. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Guys, if you've been watching my live, like, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, comment. Let's learn together. What's your view on gold, USD? What's your view on gold? What's your analysis on gold? What are you seeing right now? Are you on buy? Leave a comment. Let's interact with each other. We are all learning. When it comes to the forex market, nobody is a pro. When it comes to nobody is 100% percent right. We are all learning. So, what's your opinion? Let's interact with each other. Let's connect. Hmm. Okay. Good, 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 good. So I think for what I'm seeing right now, I don't know. Gold is not gonna keep. Gold is not gonna keep moving in this range. It's not gonna keep moving in this range. Or maybe doing a scan session. Maybe doing a scan session might break out and continue to the upside. I can't really tell, but I think gold is for the fact that gold broke out of this trend line right here. It just shows, and also this is another confirmation. This is a W formation right here. Gold broke out of this trend line. This is also another confirmation. And also this is kind of an engulfing big motherfucker, but we can't really tell. Good might just, since this is night, this is evening pure right here, and there's a lot of people are not gonna be trading around this time. So I think there's not gonna be much uh, there's not gonna be much activity going on. I won't lie, the market is just gonna keep moving in. It's either gonna keep moving in this range. The market is either gonna keep moving in this range. That's my opinion. That's my view. Because this is what the market always do. because it's gonna let you like make you feel like this is a buy, this is a buy. At the end of the day, you buy and we set your stop loss below. Most especially those who have small accounts. People who have small accounts, small trading accounts, are the ones suffering this kind of situation where you place your trade and maybe set your stop loss below. Uh, maybe set your stop loss maybe below somewhere here. At the end of the day, before you know it, the market will just do boom, 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 come and take you out and continue, or maybe continue uh, consolidating, and all of that. Let's just see what's gonna happen. I think I'm gonna be going more. I'm gonna be doing live often. Like I'm gonna be doing live. I don't really understand. There are a lot of things I don't know. Child translation. There are a lot of things I don't know. So I'm gonna learn how to. I think tomorrow I'm gonna set up my studio. I've already set up my studio already. It's just to set up the softwares and all of that so that I can be doing like my face will be showing, and instead of this one I'm holding my phone, like you guys can be seeing me, be seeing my charts very well. I think this live we're just gonna be I'm gonna be doing 30 minutes for today. Then tomorrow maybe like 2 hours. I'm gonna be doing live straight for 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours straight. So if you are watching, I don't usually trade in the nights. Like I don't usually trade in evening like this because there's a lot of fake outs. Like the market is gonna just keep whipsawing and taking you out. This is not the best time to trade. This is not the best time to trade unless you want to hold your trade till, and if you want to hold your trade till tomorrow, you need to have large capital, one, and secondly you need to risk little. Like you need to risk little. If you are the type that don't like watching the charts and you want to hold your trade for a very long time, like maybe you see your prediction is how will I say prediction? Like maybe your buyers, like maybe the your take profit where you see the market is going to head to is very, like your take profit is high. So I think that is only when you're gonna be risking a little, like risk little amount. It's good to risk little amount. Hey bro, M1 E-money, E-money 431. What's up, bro? How you doing? I think you're the first person to comment on my live. Let's interact. Let's learn together, guys. Let's learn. Uh, let's interact together. Let's learn. How you doing, bro? Do you trade gold? Do you trade gold? E-money. Do you trade gold? Gold USD. Oh. Gold. At this point, if I'm to trade at this point, if I'm to trade this gold USD, At this point, if maybe I'm risking, like maybe I have an $100 account, what I'm just gonna do is maybe open like 0.2, set my stop loss below this level right here, set my stop loss below this level right here, and set my take profit around this area right here. Because what I'm seeing right here, I think gold is heading to this zone right here, and probably maybe gold is just gonna continue to the upside, since this is an area of interest for buyers. Since this is an area of interest for buyers, this is a support area right here. But one thing about the market, you don't really know when you don't really know when the move is gonna happen. You don't really know. But one thing we for sure is that this area is an area. This is an important area in the charts. This is an important area. A lot of buyers are in this area right here. So a lot of market manipulation is going to happen around this area, and so as you can see, if you're on buy on this trade, guess you're already in huge profit already. You're already in huge profit already, but I'm not trading because it's already late and anything can just happen. Like the market can just boom, come and take out your stop loss at any fucking time, because there's not much volatility. Like there's not much volatility, to push the market up. So that's why I'm not trading, guys. That's why I'm not trading. But if I'm to trade this, just like I said before, I'm just gonna be risking just maybe like with $100 account. Maybe I want to hold this trade till morning. I'm gonna set my stop loss below this level right here. That is if the capital is enough to set my stop loss. Then set my take profit maybe above this level, because the only thing that can push this market to this side is doing the New York, doing Asian session, doing Asian and what's that other Asian and Tokyo session. That's the only time doing their overlap. That's when you tend to see much volatility. So I think that's what will push the market up, or we don't really know. So I guess that's what's gonna push the market up to my take profit level. But right now we can't really tell, bro. We can't really tell. We can't really tell. Ah 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 ah. Bam 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 bam. Bam 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 bam. Bam 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 bam. Gold is shooting up, bro. Gold is shooting up. Uh, if I'd been on this trade, like, I would have been in profit, like crazy profit right now, man. Would have been in crazy profit. It's not too late. If it's not too late to even get in on this market, it's not too late to get in on the market. Like, still very early. Since this is the first candle that broke out of this trend line, this is the first candle that broke out and it closed above it. So I think this is a nice trade setup. But I'm not in on the trade. I'm not in on the trade. I'm just here to do um just here to do life and connect with people, This is a nice trading opportunity, like very nice one. If I were to be on this trade, I would just buy around here, set my stop loss below, set my take profit above here. No. Okay, Imoni said, I want to really know how to do trading. Uh, if you want to learn how to trade, I have a complete A to Z, like dual detail course on how to trade the forex market. I have a complete course on that. If you want to learn how to trade, you can message me on Instagram. You can message me on Instagram. This is my handle right here. How do I type? I'm not always. I think this is my second time going live right on YouTube, so I don't really know how to. How do I? Okay. How do I message you? Or you can just search for AD Forex Academy. AD Forex Academy on. Search for AD Forex Academy on Instagram and message me there. Please take note, it's not for free. Oh, it's not free. My course is well detailed. It's not free. I think I'm still learning. I can't even type. I don't know how to type on right here. How does moderator? How do I type? How do I send message? It's a nice trade though, like nice trade setup. Nice trade setup. It's a nice trade setup. Okay, have you seen my page on Instagram? AD Forex Academy. I don't know why I can't respond to your message, your your comment. I don't know why I can't respond to it. Uh, maybe at the end of the life I will do that. It's a nice trade. Yeah, I think so. You can check it out. It's been long I updated those stuff. Like it's been long. Like I've not been doing YouTube for a very long time. Like I've been really busy with stuff. Really busy with my trading and you know. There's a prop firm account that I've been trading for like going to like I think like 5 months now. I've been trading that prop firm account, so I've been really focused on it. Um, but I think with the kind of knowledge you have in this forest thing, like I think I really need to start doing YouTube, so that we can promote the brand. Promote the brand. The reason why I don't like trading this, then when I had no like idea like about trading times and all of those stuff, I trade any time of the day. Like I trade any time of the day. I don't even know. I trade any time of the day, and then I realized that during this like evening period, if you're in Nigeria, from six to maybe 12 o'clock, you're not gonna be seeing because the market is gonna close around 10, right? 10, yeah. So from 6 to 10 o'clock, you're not gonna be seeing much activity going on. Like the volatility is just gonna be like this. What is just gonna be happening? Like the market is just gonna keep moving like this, like so. Like the market is this is how the market is just gonna keep moving. So and during those times, like when we're trading small accounts, you see something like we'll buy here, maybe set hours, take profits above this level right here at the end of the day, or maybe we're hoping that the market is heading to this side, set our take profits right here. And before we wake up, like you see, the market will come and take out our stop loss and continue in this movement. I think that's what is even happening right now. So the market is just gonna keep moving in this range. In this range, that's what the market is gonna keep doing. We don't really know. I don't really know though, but I'm just assuming this is what normally happens. This is what normally happens because a lot of people are gonna be buying right here since they saw this breakout. Since they saw this breakout, a lot of people are gonna be buying right here. So it's gonna be market manipulation, and before you know it, if you buy here, set your stop loss maybe below here, the market will come, take you out, and the market is just crazy. The forex market is it's really tricky. You have to be smart, well disciplined for you to really you know become profitable when it comes to the forex market. You have to be really disciplined. It's not even about you learning having the knowledge alone. Psychology plays a big role when it comes to trading. So you have to be patient. You have to understand that it's not just about you making money. It's about you surviving. you know so for you to survive in the long run, you have to be well disciplined, well grounded. So mm. So I'm gonna be ending this live. This is almost 1 hour now. This is almost 1 hour now. I've been on this live, so immediately it's 1 hour. We end the live, and tomorrow, which is tomorrow is Tuesday, right? Yeah, there's much volatility tomorrow. Like there's really much volatility. So I'm gonna be trading tomorrow. But today I'm just analyzing and seeing what the market is doing. Sorry, guys. Mm. Mm. Hmm. At this point, I'm gonna get rid of this thing. I think this is where the market is going. This is where it's going. This is where it's going. I would. The truth is, one thing about trading. Let me share one thing with you guys. Uh, there's this thing normally happens to me. Like, after making huge amounts of money in the market, even in period like this, the market will take almost everything from me. So what I normally do now is this: after trading the old, like trading the New York and London overlap, maybe around 4 o'clock, what I do is I withdraw all my money from my trading account. Got always a situation whereby I will see a trade opportunity like this, then before you know it, I will get in. Because this thing has happened to me many times. Like, after making a whole lot of money because of greed, you want to trade again. Before you know it, all your account is gone. So the best thing is to just withdraw all your funds. Like, withdraw it from your trading account. Then tomorrow you fund again. That's the best thing. Because trading can be really like, you just want to make, if you have the skills, if you have the skills, and like every time you just want to trade. And it's, for me, it's one of the worst mistakes that you can make as a trader if you are just coming up. After making a whole lot of money, then at the end of the day, you just lose it all because of greed. So I think the best thing is to just withdraw the money. If you withdraw the money now, at least that time that it will take you to fund the account back, it will take a lot of time now for you to fund your live trading account. So it won't even like freak you like that. So that's what I'm doing to escape that trap. Just withdraw the money out, then tomorrow you fund again, than leaving the money, because trade opportunity comes every fucking second. One trade can ruin all the profit that you made in the whole day. So ah, I don't know how to message you. How do I message you? Hmm. Crazy, man. This is crazy. Man, if we had been on this trade and like, whoa, just imagine if we have gotten in on this trade from right here after this candle close, man, it would have been a lot of profit. Would have been in a lot of profit right now. but it's already late. Like, I wouldn't advise anyone to go to buy around this area. So if you buy around this area, your stop loss level will be really big. Because at this point, the market can just come back here. So the stop loss level will be too much. So this trade is already, it's far gone. Far gone. So we have just 51. This 51, right? I have just 9 minutes more to go before we end the live. I think I'm just gonna end the live right now. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the live. I think this trade is a banger. This trade is a banger. This trade is a banger. Sometimes it's good to trade when the market is slow, and other times it's kind of frustrating. I think one of the skills that I need to really work on now is just placing a trade and not even bothering about the trade. Like, that's one of the skills I want to really learn, like work on this 2026. Like, just place a trade and just leave and go do other things. So yeah, guys, that's it for this live. Peace out, man. See you guys tomorrow. Like, I'm gonna be, I don't know, very early, like maybe 6 or 5 o'clock. I'll be live again. So make sure you are active so that you can watch my live and we can trade together. Let's make some money together tomorrow morning, 5 o'clock, 5, or even before then. Say maybe 4. I will be live. Maybe before 4, 5. I'll be live. So if you are active, we can, if we see a trade opportunity, we are gonna take it together. Make some money together. So yeah, guys, that's it for this. Live. See you guys tomorrow, guys. Love you guys. And if you just come in, make sure you subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, man. Let's get it back together, man. Let's get it back together. I have a lot to share on this channel, but I've been away for a very long time. I've been away for a very long time, just trying to get some things in order. But I promise you guys, like, I'm gonna be active on this channel, like active. So yeah, guys, peace out.